Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rita's Cooking Diaries. With lots of positive energy and vibrant thoughts, yet stepping into another beautiful day. Today was really special as my son Aryan was going to high school, that is year 7 in UK. So I'm going to share a few glimpses of how he got ready and what I made for lunch and also how we picked him up. Hope you'll enjoy it. I couldn't record the breakfast recipes today as I was literally running out of time. In high school, they have to start early compared to the primary school, so it's really difficult to finish the breakfast in the morning. But still, I make sure he has something and also he has his drink. So I made his regular drink Complan, that too in the chocolate flavor, which he prefers to have. And once he had the drink, he was getting ready. During the school days, I also make sure that he sleeps early and also gets up early in the morning so that he'll have ample of time. And there he goes, my smart boy, dressed up and ready to high school. While he was getting ready, I also made his lunch box, which I'm going to show now. So I made lamb fried rice. I took lamb, marinated it with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and then I cooked it in the oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees temperature. I use oven now and then to cook meat. Oven cooked food really tastes well, but the only thing is I again try to add some extra vegetables and fry it in the pan. So I also sealed it up before keeping it in the oven so that the flavors and also the steam doesn't escape and it gets cooked faster. It takes time, but then it's tasty and also healthy. So now the lamb was already cooked and I was getting ready to make the fried rice. Yes, it is done now. It's cooked well. On the other hand, I was getting ready to make the fried rice. So for that, I took a pan and after adding olive oil, I added the chopped onions and also the little cumin seeds, which you normally call sajira. And then once it was getting ready, I added ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder and stirred it well. We already added all the spices to the lamb before cooking it. But since we are making fried rice, I want to add some extra spices. I was trying to make sure the lamb was cooked properly, but then it was really hot and my hands got burnt off. Then we took little portions of lamb for the fried rice and I added it to the pan. So now I added the lamb to the onions in the pan and then stirred it properly for some time. On the other hand, I was getting ready to make rice. So I took rice and then added little spices to that, bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon sticks so that it will absorb all the flavors. Also this side to the lamb, I was adding little bit of chili powder, coriander powder and salt. I was not having many vegetables at home in the morning, so I just had few onion leaves and coriander leaves which I chopped and added to that. Once the rice was almost cooked, I drained the water and added the rice to the lamb. The rice was almost cooked and we had to leave it for another 5 minutes in the low flame. So after that it was ready. Whenever I am at home and I have time, I do make such lunches. I know it is time consuming, but my son loves it a lot. Do try it. It's simple if you think, and the kids really enjoy it. I took the lunch in his lunch box, which is like a hot pack, and it remains hot for another 4 hours at least. I also made raita, but I'm quite sure he's not going to touch that raita. He likes to have it plain. So this was Aryan's lunch. I couldn't capture the pictures in the morning, but evening I got him at the gate. He was really excited about his first day in the school and how he made his new friends, and he was talking a lot about his teachers and everything else. Hope you enjoyed my son's first day in high school. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like it. Thank you.